Expand the penthouse. Expand I will. We're remodeling, guys. We're remodeling. Please excuse the mess. Please excuse the mess. We are making some improvements here. Don't mind the mess. Just don't cross the red line and beware of falling debris as you make them bigger and check with the question mark. Got it. Sorry, guys. I have to ruin y'all's conversation. Please get out of that chair. Meredith, move. This is the construction zone. Construction zone. Enter at your own risk. What the heck?